So welcome back. I hope all of you have joined, and now the questions are ready. So directly we go into the questions now. So we have 23 numbers already registered here. So maybe expect some more people can come in. So now we start the question. For the first question, now is on the board. The first question will have a 30 seconds and 1 point question it is. Okay, for every question I will announce how many seconds and how much point you will get it. 30 seconds and single point. So this time also I am expecting a very good competition like a 41st quiz. This is the 42nd one. 41 was really unforgettable one. Very tight competition was there till the end. Last 10 seconds to go. We got more than 25 answers. Yes, everybody answered now. Mostly 15 people has given answer B, but right answer is A, one only. Excess duty is the type of tax charged on the goods produced within the country. That is right statement. The second statement is wrong. That is the end user of the goods is liable to pay tax duty. No, so only the producer or manufacturer will pay the excess duty. So only one statement is correct. Answer is A, is not a B. So now we look at the scoreboard now. So who begins with the top? Dinesh Karthik now is in top spot, and Sakti Devi, Priya, Virat, DK and Soy. These are the top 5 people are started the quiz, and all the best for everyone, and that now race begins. Now go to the second question. Second question will have a 30 seconds and 1 point. This is map based one. You have to imagine that the stage, you have to find out your answer. -15 seconds to go. More than 15% has given an answer. Last 10 seconds. So when you travel from Afghanistan to Turkey, how many countries you have to cross? Answer 9% has given answer B. Yes, right answer. Only one country we have to cross, that is Iran. From Afghanistan, if we, via Iran, we can enter into Turkey. Okay, now we go into the lead board. We see what happens after the second question. The lead board says, yeah, Priya now came to the second spot. Dinesh Karthik a little bit slower, come to the second one. And Suraj the third, Kilan Burpi and Sakti Devi are 4 and 5. I think now it's our competition begin. That's good. Now we go to the next question. Next question will have a 60 seconds and one single point quiz it is. 60 seconds and single points. Yes, we have a 3 statement question. So we are giving enough time to read it and answer it. So read the questions very carefully. It's an every word and technicality of the questions are make question is tough. Even it is tough, we have seen more than 25 got answered now. It's great. It shows that how much eager people are to win in that quiz. It shows that very great competition, healthy competition among the candidates. Last 10 seconds. So it's fine. Everybody answered now. Okay, for this question, maximum numbers are answered on A and C. Now answer is A. Right answer is A. IRNSS is an independent regional navigation system developed by India. Is perfectly correct. But the second statement, it talks about designed to provide accurate position information systems for India only. No, not only the users in India. It covers 1,500 kilometers from its boundary, right? And the third statement, all the satellites of IRNSS are located in the geostationary orbit. No, There are 7 satellites, 3 are in geostationary, 4 are in geosynchronous orbit. So, second and third is wrong, only one statement is correct. So, we look at the leaderboard, what changes happen after this third question. Dinesh Karthik now climbed to the first position. Glenn Burby entered into the list, he became a second, Sakti Devi third, Thomas will be entered in the top 5. Beat replace Priya and the fifth, and Dinesh Karthik rise to 3 positions. So continuously he has given 3 answers, and the mark difference of the first and second is nearly more than 700. Nearly more than at least say a single question. One question difference is there, but it's possible. There are double point questions are there, right? So I'll go to the question number 4. This question number 4, we have a 20 seconds but 2 point. The double point question it is. What? So make sure that you are answering within the 20 seconds and you are securing a double point. Last 5 seconds. Still we need to answer. Now it's time's up. Excellent. Many people has given answer is A. Yes, exactly right answer is A, 1 and 2 only. So the rabi crops are gram and mustard. Normally the cotton and jute are high temperature crops, normally grown in the summer seasons. Exactly is a perfect answer. Now we see after the first double point, we see the lead board. We see what happens. The drastic change. Yes, Priya has climbed the top spot to the first one, Sakti Devi second, Thomas will be third, Ashwin, Dinesh Karthik. Now, the top 4 have almost close to the 3000 marks. The point difference reduces. The competition now increased, and the 7th places climber Anand, the 7th place climber, possibly we can expect him to the top 5 spot. So, we'll go to the next question. Question number 5. 30 seconds and single point question it is. I think it's very easy to score one point from this question. Which are the following metals can cause water pollution? So the way how people are answering, it looks very easy. Last 5 seconds. Yes, we have seen almost maximum people that got good answer. Okay, most of the people got answer D. So all the mercury, arsenic, cadmium, and lead, all these all will create water pollution here. So it looks very easy because of all these are hazardous chemicals. When added into the water, it creates some health hazards. Good, answer is D here. Now we look at the lead board. Priya retained the spot number 1, Thomas Shelby number 2, Ashwin number 3, and Dinesh Karthik. So all these 4 almost very closer column, very closer mark differences. And Jewel in the number 4, and very important thing, Thomas Shelby directly entered to the top second position after climbing the four spots. That's great, good competition. Now we go to the question number 6. Now this is 60-second question with single point. Okay, 60-second question with a single point. Really, it's a very easy question. If you are able to analyze the India Atlas, if a regular Atlas seeker with you whenever preparing for exams, it's very easy to answer it. I think almost answered even before 30 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Excellent. The 14% has given a right answer. Answer is C, Krishna. By reading the first line itself, it is the second biggest river in peninsular India. Largest one is Godavari, second is Krishna. All other rivers are minor rivers. So, by the first line itself, we can easily identify that answer, it is a Krishna. Now, we look at the lead board, we see what happens. Priya and Thomas Shelby, they retain the same spot 1 and 2 with the closer mark differences. Dinesh Karthik, Sakti Devi and Ashwin, they are in the second group. Almost they are all three having a very closer call differences. And Thomas Selby is a good attempt. She has given 5 correct questions on a single row. Excellent, great competition. Now we go to the question number 7 with the 60 seconds and 1 point. Do not hurry to answer this question. It may lead to make wrong. Please make sure you are clearly reading the statements and the terminologies. So more than 20 answer now. It's more than 20, 25. Yes, everyone answered now. The correct answer, the total number of people answered is A, is a 9. Many answer, but this is the right answer, obviously right answer. One statement is correct. This number 1 is correct. CNG is primarily made up of methane. C is primarily made up of methane, and while LPG primarily made up of propane. Is absolutely correct. When go to the second statement, just we swapped into CNG and LPG in between. But the correct statement will be CNG produces relatively lower quantity of greenhouse gases compared to LPG. So second statement is wrong. So answer A is correct. So we go look at the lead board. There is no much change in it. Still Priya and Thomas Selby retain the first spot, but Priya retains spot with a higher marginal difference than the second rank, and more than 1,100 difference is going on now. So possibly the two points question will come make a change out of it. Thomas Selby in the second, Anand third, Dinesh Karthik and Sujit. Sujit now into the scene. So I think he is the winner of the second place in the previous quiz, I think so. And they are close called in the 4th or 5th spot. Alright, Zul is the highest climber with 6 places. I think you can expect him in the next 5th position. So we go to the next question now. Question number 8. 60 seconds and single point. So read the question carefully and answer it. The 5 countries sharing the border with the Caspian Sea. This is a very famous code word. We use it for this kind of questions in geography. So nearly 20 we got answer. 25 seconds to go. Good. Everyone got answer no? So maximum number of answers is answer B they given, so 10, but answer is C, 1 and 3. That is Turkmenistan and Kazakhstan, the shares border with the Caspian Sea. So normally we use a code word here, rocket, R-A-K-I-T. This is the terminology normally we use it in civil services. R for Russia, A for Azerbaijan, K for Kazakhstan, I for Iran, T for Turkmenistan, which are sharing borders with the Caspian Sea. Same way we have a code words for Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea and Aral Sea, like all the water bodies which are sharing with international boundaries. That's good. We go to the lead board now. Still the Priya retained the spot, but we got a very closer score now. Thomas Selby is coming closer, only 300 differences, and Sujit enters into the 3rd spot after climbing the 5 positions. That exactly is an excellent one. And Anand the 4th, the closer call, and Kilan for B. Now excellent. Dinesh Karthik, he was in the list, now he missed it in the list. Dinesh Karthik, we are misused, we come back soon. So get into the list faster. So we go to the next question. Question number 9. 30 seconds and single point question it is. Only 30 seconds and single point. 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds. 7. Yes, time's going to up. It's time up. Sorry. Now maximum A has given a right answer, but right answer is B. Okay, 1 and 3. The question is, which among the following are the measures helping contain inflation? Demonetization and surplus budgeting both will try to contain inflation, but the increasing both direct and indirect taxes will increase the price of the products, and it will causes the rate of inflation is higher. So it won't help in containing inflation process. So answer will be B, 1 and 3 only. And we see what happens to that lead board. Great change happens in the second spot. Priya still retains the first spot, 6085, and Anand 587, only 200 point difference. And Sujit now is in a tough competition in the third spot. He is not climbing to top. Shelby and Glenn Burby is following them. And Ravi Raj, after a long time, we are seeing 3 places. He is climbing up. I think he also want to come into the race. So welcome back. So we go to the next question. The question number 10, 60 seconds and 1 point. There is a single point question it is. 60 seconds and single point. So don't hurry in answering, but there are some terminology will make you do the mistakes. So make sure that you are clear with the concepts. Almost 23 answers we got it before 30 seconds. I think the top spot people are trying to grab the first spot. Possibly we may get some changes in this question. Last 15 seconds. Time getting closer. I think some people are still thinking to answer it. I think this is the first question we have experienced all 60 seconds replaced by a candidate. Good. So 12 persons answered A. Right answer is A. Exactly is correct. The question number, the statement 1 says the cyclones have a low pressure in the center, the I, and anticyclones have a high pressure in the center. That is exactly correct. But anticyclones is given here is the anti-clockwise direction northern hemisphere, but it is opposite side of it. Cyclones will be anti-clockwise, anti-cyclones will be clockwise direction. So answer will be A only, right? So only 1. So we see what happens in the lead board. It's a very big change in the top spot. Priya has come to the 4th one from the number 1, and Anand climbed to the 6742. Great achievement. And the difference between first and 4th, BS Priya, I think the 700 mark difference. And second is Selby, Thomas Selby is very closer to the 200 points. And Killen only 100 point difference. And Sujit, he is also in a competition, just 5825. So he can climb further up. We can expect Sujit to come up. So shall we go to the next question now? Next question will have a 30 seconds and a single point. 30 seconds and single point. NIA, CBI and NCBC. If you are habitual revising your polity, it is very easily to answer these questions. Only 5 seconds. Still we need more person to answer. Make it faster. It's time's up. I think more number answers come B, 8, but correct answer is A, 1 only, right? National Investigation Agency is a statutory body, okay? But the Central Bureau of Investigation is not neither statutory body or a constitutional body. National Commission for Backward Classes, it's a constitutional body. So answer will be 1 only, that is A. We can see now, we can see the lead board. If any big change happens, Yes, a complete shift of 2, 3, 4, 5. Anand retains the first part. Kilan Barbi came into the second one. Sujit climbed to the third. And Thomas Shelby in the fourth. Sujit, so another Sujit on the third part. So B.S. Priya not in the list. She was maintaining the top spot for the 10 questions. Now she missed the place. So we have another 4 questions. Possibly she may come into that list again. So we are eagerly waiting for her to come back. So I'll go to the next question now. Question number 12. 60 seconds and single point. 60 seconds and single point. So read it very carefully. The sentences are big, so you have to make sure that all the terminologies you are reading properly and matching with the questions. We got 19, 20 answers, but still the people have to answer a lot. His time is only 15 seconds to go, 15 seconds to go. Yes, everyone answered now. The maximum answer is B. More than 10 people has answered it. Exactly answer B is correct. That is only second statement is correct. The first statement is perfectly is incorrect because the National Commission for Protection of Children's Rights, NCPCR, is not a constitutional body. It is a statutory body. Right? It's come under the Act of Commission for Protection of Civil Rights, CPR Act 2005. So answer is B, 2 only. We see the lead board now before going to the last 3 questions. And then maintain the first one. Kilan Barbi is a very closer call, just 300 points less than that. Sujit nearly is having 1,300 points less than that. And Jul and Sakti Devi, they are close. Sakti Devi, I think the first time she came into the list. It's good. And Kilan Barbi is a climbed 5 spot to reach the second position. That's great achievement. Now we are going to the question number 13. Hereafter, all the 3 questions will be given 2 double points. Possibly, all the ranks will make it changes. The question number 13 will have only 20 seconds to answer, but you will get double points here. You will get double points. Only 20 seconds to answer. Hereafter, ranks really going to change because the double points play a major role here. Time's up. Fine. So we have seen 13% have your answer C. So what do you think is right answer? Yes, C is the right answer. 1 and 3 is the right answer. Education and forest are under concurrent list. After the 42nd amendment in 1976, it made under the concurrent list. Public order and police both are still on state list. Right. So I am eagerly waiting to see that lead board. Still Anand maintained the spot. Sakti Devi climbed to the second spot, is a great achievement. And Kilan Barbi in the third one, Sujit fourth, Thomas Selby. So Belfina first time is coming in the scene. So he climbed 4th spot. So possibly the difference between Anand and Sakti Devi is 1,300. So still we have 2 questions. All questions having double point questions. Possibly anyone can come in the first spot and second spot. Okay, so I'll go to the question number 14. Question number 14 will have a 30 seconds to answer. I'm saying 30 seconds to answer with double points. Read carefully and mark correct answer, get double points. Last 10 seconds to answer. It's good. We have seen there are 14 persons has given answer C, but the problem is answer is a D. No one has given right answer. No one has given right answer. It shows that everybody expecting we always give answer from A, B, C. No, we never been given A. This first we are given Nathan for the double point questions. So it shows that I think we see the lead board now. It won't be any change in that because nobody has given right answer. No, so it won't be change in it. So now the last question of this quiz today, and we have a difference between 1 and 2 is 1300. The possibility everybody can get double points, can reach the first spot. Now this is the possibility. Last question of this today, 30 seconds with double points. Now questions on your screen. Make sure that you can climb to the top spot by giving right answer. The way the people answers, so they more than 15 got answer now. Really it's fine. They try to climb the first part. Last 10 seconds of the quiz. See, totally 12 persons has given the answer A, 7% has given answer D. The right answer is D, none of the above. Any rainfall over 10 millimeter per hour is not right answer. It's 100 millimeter per hour is the right answer. Cloudburst can happen only on mountains. No, it can happen anywhere, any places, right? Anytime. It plays only during the monsoons. No, even non-monsoon is also possible during the convection. We get the process of cloudburst. Now we go into the last final list of the quiz. The topper of the podium, Sujit, the third spot, and Sujit 981 is the second spot. The first spot goes with, really congratulations to Kilanpar B. So climb to the top spot. The top spot person went on to the, I think, the fourth and fifth. Really is a tough competition. It exactly happened in the previous quiz also. So we didn't see the BS Priya, who was the top scorer, the most number of questions, and Dinesh Karthik. Those who tried to come the first. And all the best to all the quiz participants and winners. And so take the screenshot and send it to the WhatsApp number, whatever given in below. And all the best for all the participants and quiz winners. And we'll meet you in the next quiz. Thank you.